Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The fat boy. The whole bike will change. You see it when I finish. Alright, good morning guys. Hello Harley. Hello baby. Yeah. And what about Crown? He's here. Okay. So today we're gonna take a look. These LED lights, this on eBay. It took about 20 days to get here, and it's for the fat boy. All right, so let's take a look at it. Check it out. If they fit, I hope they're gonna fit, because I haven't tried them on, but I have did a lot of research for these two, and they look exactly like they fit. Okay, check it out. It will fit exactly on the plug. Measure the ones on the bike just to be sure. They are 4" and 7". So let's look this one. Yeah, it's a 7". All right, the depth 1.5 inches. Oh yeah, okay. It has a universal connector or something like that. All right. But I don't think I need it. Anyway, let's take a look at that. Yeah, so we'll have to do some soldering on this. That's fine. I don't mind. Looks very straightforward. This is, however, it's a 2" depth from the glass and a 4" diameter. And no, I don't see anything else. And that's it. This is how they look like it. Very clean. I got the white one, like the chrome inside, because most of the bike is chromed. All right, so next step is we're gonna put it on a bike. All these parts, they're quite old, but I'm gonna tell you a story. I have a problem once with a short wire on the bike, and I couldn't find it nowhere, and I couldn't start the bike. The bike was shutting off. Okay, we have 3 screws here. Let me put the light over here now. And that short wire was like on the back of the headlight, believe it or not. It took me a couple of days to figure it out. After I took everything off the bike. Yes, everything. All right. So today I have like all this kind of little problems, like they can really, get you mad. I bought a C360 camera and it's like not connecting to my phone with anything. I just tried like an hour, I just quit. All right, so now looks like we're removing that. Yes, I'm gonna start with the headlight. Looks nice and clean in there. You see, this is where I have the short. That yellow was like scratching into the metal. And look what I did. I put a string head and a double string head here, and I put 2 tire wraps so I can hold the wire stable. And that worked. Now let's see if this is gonna work. First, I'm gonna put it like that. No. And that's supposed to be brighter and nicer than the one I had before. All right. Well, it works. Wow. That thing is nice. What do you guys think? Okay. All right. Let's see if that thing is going to fit in here. Take the plastic over, and we're looking for the DOT. Right here, DOT goes on the top. I don't need to do anything else in here, really. Alright, I just followed the 3 inserts, 1, 2, 3. Alright. What do you guys think? Looking good already. This is not going to be that easy, the passing lights, because we'll have to do some soldering, but it's okay. Can't even remember what I have done here. That's how long it's been. But I have put connectors. That's good. That's good. Alright, so I'm gonna remove the connectors. And these are really good quality, aircraft type. Now we're gonna need this piece. You see, I have put rubber here to protect it from humidity and water in the rain. And look at that. They're still holding good. Let's remove the other one. So let me tell you how much this cost, and I got them on eBay. It cost me 125 euros. Alright. That was like 60 bucks on eBay. A Chinese company. The eBay in the US, okay? The United States eBay, don't go to Denmark or whatever. The US eBay, and there was a Chinese company selling this for $59.95. Alright, the whole package. So that was like about 40 bucks, 45 bucks shipping, and 25 bucks customs clearance. The whole thing was 125, and it came here. We are in Athens, Greece, in 20 days. Yes, I'm gonna put them positive feedback as long as this works too. So this is how this is. Alright, first thing first is I want to see if it's gonna fit in there. Let me see if it has an insert. Yeah, it's right here, and it's right here, DOT up. I don't see. Yeah. Let's see here. Alright, so it looks like it's going this way. Let me put all this stuff in here. It might not be easy. But, yeah. As you can see, I grinded. Okay, I'm going to show you what I grinded. You gotta really be careful if you do something like that. You make sure you know what you're doing, otherwise give it to somebody. Well, all protective gear, the grinder is not a toy. Alright, so I grind that lip, and that lip is not plastic. It looks like plastic. It's aluminum. So it will take time and it will take skills. Alright, so if you don't have that, don't try it at home. I don't recommend it. It's not easy, but if you give it to a professional to do it, you see it fits. Alright. Okay, this is the piece I took off. It's aluminum, not easy. If you decide to do it, make sure you have the experience, or don't try it at home. Again, if you look my electrical installation, this is what we use on the aircraft, on the light planes in all my life. I'm gonna say it one more time. This is the connectors you're gonna be using on a motorcycle. We're using this for the planes. You can find them in the States, alright? You cannot find them in Europe. In Europe you go to a marine store to get similar quality. Alright, so we need 4 mils. Okay, 1 is good. You have to press real hard, but not going crazy. Try the other one. Okay, the DOT is on the top. After I screw it, just want to test it right now. Wow. Wow, I didn't do blind you, but the 30 years old fat boy, well, we're going on the 31st year. It's got like 2004 lights. Amazing. Let's finish up the other one. Yeah, there is Crown. Hey, baby. What's up? Say hi to everybody. Yeah? Everything okay? You did your own? You check everything? No threats? Yeah, good. You hungry? You want a little bone? You're gonna eat a little bit later. You're gonna have a little bit barbecue today. Put it on low. Not too much, this one. Oh, it's pretty tight already. Let me give it another try. I just don't want to blind you. They're very bright, really. Yeah. Oh man, I can't believe this bike. See the switch? Yeah. Let me put the high beam. Yeah. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The fat boy. The whole bike will change. You see it when I finish. Let me show you the new paint job. It's not really a paint job. They just the guy just put a nice clear coat on it, and look at that. And he fixed up some scratches and everything. This is the rear fender, and he put a very expensive clear coat, so it doesn't get scratched easy. This is it. I hope you like it, and I highly recommend them. Enjoy.